Hey gamers, if you're still stuck on that old keyboard that's slowing you down, it's time to upgrade. But don't just grab any keyboard. In today's video, we're checking out the best gaming keyboards for every price range. Whether you're on a budget or ready to splurge, I've got something that'll take your gaming setup to the next level. Stick around, you're gonna want to hear about these. First up, we've got the EPOMAKER Ajazz AK820 Pro. And let me tell you, this little guy punches way above its weight. It's a 75% wireless mechanical keyboard, which means it's compact without sacrificing any functionality. It's Bluetooth 2.4 GHz and USB-C compatible, so no matter your setup, this keyboard's got you covered. The standout feature, the TFT Smart Display and knob. This lets you adjust settings on the fly, change lighting, and even see your CPU stats while gaming. Super handy if you like multitasking. Plus, the gasket-mounted design gives it that satisfying, smooth typing feel. But here's the catch. If you're a hardcore gamer who prefers more tactile feedback, the actuation force might feel a little light for your taste. It's perfect for casual and medium-level gaming. But pro gamers might want something with a bit more punch. Now, if you want something that really hits hard, wait till you see the next pick. Next, we've got the Aula F99 This one's a 60% mechanical keyboard, which makes it ultra-compact. But don't let that fool you. It's packing some serious features. The Hall effect magnetic switches offer lightning-fast input with adjustable actuation, and the 8,000 Hz polling rate means zero input lag. If you're a competitive gamer, this is a dream come true for precision. I love the RGB backlighting. It's vibrant and customizable, and it just looks badass on your desk. But for some of you, the compact design might take a bit of getting used to, especially if you prefer the full layout for things like number pads. Still, for the price, this is a great value and perfect for those who want a high-performance keyboard without breaking the bank. Up next, a keyboard with maximum customizability that lets you swap out parts on the go. Let's check it out. Now, let's get into something a bit more customizable. The Aula F99 Pro. This is a wireless RGB backlit keyboard that's hot swappable, which means you can change out the switches without needing to solder. For those who love to tweak and tune their setup, this is a dream. The tri-mode BT 5.0/2.4 GHz/USB-C connectivity means you can use this keyboard with pretty much any device, PC, laptop, tablet, you name it. The creamy, smooth key sound is another major win. It's perfect for a smooth, comfortable typing experience, and it's perfect for long gaming sessions. However, it does lack some of the higher-end features of other keyboards, like advanced macro functionality. But for casual and semi-professional gamers, this is an absolute steal for the price. If you need something that's all about the tech, you won't want to miss the next one. Moving on to the Aula S75 Pro. This one is a 75% wireless mechanical keyboard that's got high-tech features like an LCD screen and knob for quick adjustments. Its pre-lubed switches make it buttery smooth to type on. And the RGB backlighting can be customized to fit your mood. The real kicker is the magnetic stand, which gives you more flexibility for working and gaming. It's one of the best hybrid keyboards for both productivity and gaming. A huge win if you need a keyboard for both work and play. But here's the thing. If you're looking for something more compact or more affordable, this might feel a bit over the top. It's a fantastic keyboard, but it does come at a higher price point than the other options we've covered so far. Now, if you're ready to go all out on your gaming setup, the next one is a pro-level pick that's built for esports. And last but not least, we've got the Logitech G-Pro X TKL Lightspeed. This one is built for esports, and it shows. It's ultra-portable. Lightspeed wireless technology is lag-free, and the PBT keycaps ensure long-term durability. The linear GX red switches offer a quieter, faster experience, perfect for those who need precision without the noise. If you're a pro gamer, this is the keyboard you want in your arsenal. It's got RGB lighting with Light Sync, which can sync with your games for the ultimate immersive experience. Sure, it's more expensive than the other options, but for competitive players, this is a game changer. Plus, it's designed for portability, making it a great choice for LAN events or tournaments. All these keyboards are linked below in the description, so go check them out for the latest prices on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews. I upload new videos every week. Thanks for watching. And remember, it's not about the most expensive gear, it's about choosing the right tech for your needs. See you in the next one.